Tired of annoying ads ruining your iPhone experience? Today, I'll show you how to block those pesky ads by installing a VPN and changing your DNS settings, making your browsing faster and distraction-free. First, open the App Store and search for an AdBlocking VPN. I recommend AdBlock, but other popular choices like AdGuard or Disconnect Pro will also work. Once you've chosen your VPN, tap the Get button and install the application. After the VPN has been downloaded, open the app and follow their setup instructions. This usually involves granting the app permissions to create a VPN profile. Next, go to your iPhone Settings app and scroll down until you see VPN. Tap on it. Here you should see the VPN you just installed. Toggle the switch next to it to the on position, confirming any prompts that appear. Your VPN is now active. Now, let's change your DNS settings. Go back to the main settings screen and tap on Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, and tap the blue icon next to it. Scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. Change from automatic to manual, then tap the plus button to add a new DNS server. Enter these DNS server addresses 1111 and 1001. These are Cloudflare's public DNS servers, which offer privacy features. Tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You've now successfully installed an ad blocker on your iPhone. Enjoy a cleaner, faster, and more enjoyable browsing experience. Be sure to check the VPN settings to customize the level of ad blocking, and remember that some apps have ads built in that a VPN can't block. #iPhone tips #ad blocking.